Welcome back to NoSaltBP. If you have congestive heart failure, diabetes, or high blood pressure, I invite you to please join my channel for nutritional information at NoSaltBP on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and also NoSaltBP.com. Today, we are going to do a recipe for appetizers. It's that time of the year. Everyone wants something very succulent and tasty, yet we don't want to wait for that big holiday meal. So I will be preparing a very special dish, not available on YouTube, ungoogleable, and you got to hear first. So let's get started, shall we? I have Langostinos, and I will be placing them here. And some pre-cooked shrimp. I will be placing them in here. Along with some fresh chives. And throw those in there. We are going to take about 2 teaspoons of unsalted butter. And we're going to steam all this. We're going to place in some white pepper. And we're going to cover it. We want to steam it. Definitely do not want to cook this, or want to not cook it. We don't want to fry it. We're going to take our butter and chives and run it along the side so everything can melt in. Langostinos are the small shrimp, only 120 milligrams of sodium. And this is perfect for a fill-in while we're cooking that big holiday Christmas Kwanzaa meal. So we're going to allow that to just steam on top. Next, we're going to place in some garlic. To add into the shrimp and the Langostinos. And remember, I always say garlic is the rotaroomer. Garlic will help cleanse the arteries and veins of the body. So here we go. Clove of garlic. This smells really, really good. Take it from my cutting board and add it into the pot. And I will see you in a few moments, and we're going to prepare the rest of this. Langostinos, shrimp, chives, white pepper, and I added some black pepper in. So here we go. So freshly prepared for the appetizers for this time of year. And again, there is a contest that's occurring here. The contest will be women on YouTube on the move. First one up would be Narob. Take a look at that. Narob on YouTube. Beautiful Soul Speaks and Miss Honey. So we've completed the seafood component of this. I'm going to place this back. And now we have creamed potatoes. We're going to add some Big Lots Fresh Finds from our Big Lots Pantry, hashtag Big Lots Pantry, chopped chives into the potatoes. And this is a wonderful appetizer for the holiday season or any time of year when you have family and friend gathering. Baby russet potatoes were used. The skins were not removed because we want the fiber. Fiber is good for the colon health. The skins were left in. So we have our Langostinos and shrimp ready with the chives, black pepper, white pepper, and garlic. We have our potatoes ready. And here's the next one. This is unique, not exclusive, unique to the recipes for NoSaltBP.com. And we're going to transition to the next point. Now we're back with the secret ingredient. We have our muffin pan with the pie crust with chives, black pepper, and white pepper. I have a few more. Then I need to place some ground chives in. And we're going to place the pie crust over the potatoes, the Langostinos, and the shrimp. You have pie crust on the bottom. The pie crust here were dusted with white pepper and chives. This is a one dried chives on top of the pie crust. Butter on top of the chives. And we're ready for our appetizer. I'll see you in a moment when it's complete. Welcome back, and our appetizer is done. If you don't know, I am NoSaltBP, and we're completely finished. I'm going to cut into this. And you guys can see it. Those are our shrimp, Langostino, and my trademark. Wonderful for holding people over through the holidays before the big dinner. I thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I realize you have many choices and channels to receive your nutritional information. However, here at NoSaltBP, we do it without the salt and we count carbohydrates. I will see you in the next one. Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa. Have a prosperous new year. Goodbye.